Making $200 per day online equals $6,000 per month or $72,000 per year. That's a life-changing income for most people, and in 2026, it's more achievable than ever before. But here's the truth. It requires real work, specific skills, and consistent effort. There are no shortcuts or magic buttons. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step methods that real people are using right now to earn $200 or more per day working online. These are proven strategies, not empty promises. Let's get started. Method number 1, freelance services. The fastest way to make $200 per day online is by offering high-value freelance services. You're directly trading skills for results, and businesses pay well for that. In 2026, top freelance skills include copywriting, video editing, social media management, graphic design, web development, virtual assistants, and AI prompt engineering. Start by choosing one service and specializing. Specialists earn more than generalists. Spend about 30 days learning and practicing using free content or affordable courses. Build a simple portfolio with sample work to prove your ability. Set pricing to reach $200 daily, one $200 project, or 2 to 4 hours at $50 to $100 per hour. Find clients on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and send direct outreach to businesses. 2 solid clients per day can hit your goal consistently. Method number 2, digital product creation. Creating and selling digital products offers scalability that trading time for money cannot match. You create something once and sell it repeatedly without additional work per sale. Here's your step-by-step roadmap. First, identify a profitable niche and a specific problem people will pay to solve. Research online communities, forums, Reddit, Facebook groups, and Amazon reviews to find what people are struggling with and asking about repeatedly. Second, validate demand before creating anything. Post in relevant communities asking if people would be interested in a solution. Run small paid ads to a landing page describing your product to see if people sign up for notifications. Don't spend weeks creating something nobody wants. Third, create your digital product. This could be an ebook, online course, templates, printables, software tools, stock photos, or design assets. In 2026, AI tools dramatically reduce creation time. Use ChatGPT to help write ebooks, AI video tools to create course content, and design tools like Canva for visual products. For example, let's say you create a comprehensive social media template pack for small businesses. You invest 40 hours creating 100 professional templates. You price the pack at $47. To make $200 per day, you need to sell about 4 to 5 packs daily. That's roughly 150 sales per month. Fourth, set up your sales infrastructure. Use platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Shopify to handle payments and delivery automatically. Create a simple landing page that clearly explains what your product is, who it's for, and what results it delivers. Include testimonials once you have them. Fifth, drive traffic to your offer. Create content on platforms where your target audience hangs out. If targeting business owners, post value on LinkedIn and Twitter. If targeting hobbyists, use Pinterest and Instagram. Create YouTube videos, blog posts, or social media content that provides free value while mentioning your paid product. If you want step-by-step tutorials on building each of these income streams, hit that subscribe button now. I break down exactly how to implement these strategies in my weekly videos. Don't miss the next one. The beauty of digital products is that once your systems are running, the same effort that generates $200 per day can generate $500 or $1,000 per day as you scale your traffic and optimize conversions. Method number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale. In 2026, it's still one of the easiest ways to make money online. Start by choosing a niche you understand with strong commissions, such as software, online courses, or financial tools, which often pay 10% to 50% or more. Join affiliate programs like ClickBank, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, or individual software companies that can pay $50 to $500 per sale. To make $200 per day, you might need 2 $100 commissions or 10 $20 commissions. Build an audience on one main platform, YouTube, a blog, or a newsletter. Create helpful reviews, comparisons, and tutorials. Focus on value first, promote high-ticket products, and build an email list to increase long-term conversions. Method number 4, online coaching or consulting. If you have expertise in any area, online coaching or consulting can realistically reach $200 per day because you're selling results, not time. Start by identifying a specific skill: business, fitness, marketing, career growth, or personal finance. Next, define one clear client type and one problem you solve exceptionally well. Create a simple offer. Charge $200 for a 60-minute session, or sell a $1,000 monthly package to just 6 clients to hit $200 per day. Build credibility by sharing helpful content, client results, and testimonials on social media or YouTube. Get your first clients through your existing network by offering discounted or free sessions to build proof. Use simple tools like Zoom, Calendly, and Stripe. Deliver great results, collect testimonials, raise your prices, and repeat. Making it work. Practical steps. Now let's talk about actually implementing these strategies, because knowing and doing are completely different things. Start with one method. Don't try all 4 simultaneously. Choose the one that best matches your current skills and resources. If you have marketable skills, start freelancing. If you're good at creating content, try affiliate marketing or digital products. If you have deep expertise, consider coaching. Set a 90-day goal. Give yourself 3 months of focused effort on your chosen method. Commit to working on it daily, even if just for 2 to 3 hours. Consistency beats intensity. Track everything. Monitor how many client proposals you send, how many sales your product gets, how much traffic your content receives, or how many coaching calls you book. What gets measured gets improved. Reinvest early profits. When you start making money, invest in better tools, education, or advertising to accelerate growth. Don't get comfortable at $50 or $100 per day. Push toward your $200 daily goal. Build systems and automation. As you grow, create processes that save time. Use email templates for client communication, automate social media posting, create product delivery sequences that run automatically. Making $200 per day online in 2026 is achievable if you choose the right method, stay focused, and remain consistent. Freelancing, digital products, affiliate marketing, and coaching are proven strategies used daily by real people. Pick one method, create a 90-day plan, and start today. Progress happens one step at a time. Before you go, subscribe to this channel for detailed tutorials on each of these methods. Hit that notification bell so you catch my next video, where I'll show you exactly how to land your first high-paying freelance client. Drop a comment telling me which method you're going to start with. Let's build your online income together.